The body has an innate ability to heal itself. We were born with this vital force that knows how to heal us. What interferes or what causes illness? For me, it's been evaluating the electromagnetic energy of the cells to see whether they're in a coherent flow. Each cell in our body has a positive and a negative flow, and the balance of the positive and negative is the integrity of each cell. This flow of energy is etheric energy because ether is in all of space. So what causes illness is the disturbances in our electromagnetic field. It's a disruption of the electromagnetics of our body. So we are not just a physical body, we are also an energy body, an electrical body, and also a magnetic body. We have an electromagnetic field that interpenetrates with our physical makeup. A physical body is hands, bones, skin, organs, brain. That's our physical body. But our physical body is not alive unless it has ether, the etheric force field, which makes up our etheric body. And our etheric body interpenetrates with the physical body to make it alive.